Hey dears, Dearbek is here. Today I'm gonna be showing you my current studio. This is not for educational purposes but rather for documentational purposes. But if you're planning to start a YouTube channel but you cannot start it because you think you don't have right gear, you might learn something in this video as well. So let's start. This is my bedroom and my studio for YouTube at the same time. I sleep, study, relax, plan my YouTube videos, script them, film them, edit them, and even publish them in this exact room. Basically, I spend 70% of my day here. And today we will take a closer look at the studio sides of this room. I will walk you through how I produce my videos from start to finish. First, let's take a look at the room itself. Behind me is an entrance to my room. And here is the room at its whole. Here are two beds side by side, one of it for me and the other one is for my little brother. And right here is a window which is an average sized one, and this is the main source of light for my videos. And if the weather is cloudy, I'm done. This right here is my desk with rewards and clock and different toys on the shelves. I keep my books and stuff like that in those closed shelves so that I can stay more clean and organized. And speaking of organization, this is my desk organizer, which used to have a bunch of cool accessories, but they slowly disappeared as they get old or run out and so on. My microphone attached to the side of my bed, and I am gonna make a review of this microphone soon. If you don't wanna miss out this video, you had better subscribe, as it will be a very special video for the owner of a microphone which helped me to get started with my first YouTube channel. And this is my laptop. It got a silver outfit made out of metal, which somewhat feels like a plastic as well. And more on that in different video. Well, if you look at my video production stages, there are mainly 5 steps: planning and scripting, filming, editing, preparing title and thumbnail, and finally publishing. And the first one is, at the beginning of each week, I open up my Notion page where my ideas are stored and pick one or two that I wish to create video about. Then I sit down in front of my computer and start scripting, which I didn't pay much attention, but since my last video I have been scripting my videos, which sometimes takes hours of my time. Once I finish writing, I prepare for filming the video. I pick a day which should be nice and sunny, but since it's summer right now, it doesn't matter which day I pick because it's sunny all the time. Once the day comes, I get prepared for filming. After lunch, I set up my gear for filming, open curtains, turn on lights for additional lighting, plug in my microphone to the laptop, open up my script, sit down, and finally press the record button. First of all, I film my A-roll, which is the parts of video when I'm sitting in front of camera and speaking. I might sometimes make some adjustment to the script to make it more interesting and authentic. After finishing A-roll, I move on to filming B-roll, which is I can't remember its other name, but B-roll is the videos where I am not speaking to the camera directly, or the opposite of B-roll. I hope I explained it in somewhat understandable way. Once the filming step is over, the next step begins. Yeah, editing. Literal nightmare. Because it literally takes days to finish editing only one video. I could only imagine how long this video is gonna take to edit. My travel vlog might come out before this video. I use an app called DaVinci Resolve for editing my videos nowadays, which is free to use. But there's also a paid version which includes things like extra effects or editing a footage or 4K like 6K or 8K videos, but Even Mr. Beast uploads his videos in 1080p, so they are not necessary at all for beginner and intermediate YouTubers. More than 80% of the features in the paid version are available in the free version as well. So it's really convenient. I used to use Clipchamp at the beginning of my YouTube channel, but after all, I decided to switch and learn something professional. If I speak about my editing process, I am still a beginner and I cannot really edit fast and effectively, but I'm getting more and more effective as I edit more videos, but I still edit videos for at least 2 days. I just sit down and edit and edit and edit and edit. After literal pain and sufferings, I finally press export. And finally, it's time to publish the video. No, not really. There's one more important step before publishing the video. These two things are absolute necessity for YouTube videos. Most of the creators advise to prepare these things before even filming the video because I cannot remember the reason for that, but if you do, please let me know in the comments. I will test this idea one day. But these days I prepare my title and thumbnail just before I publish my video to the YouTube. I use Canva, which is really nice drag and drop editor for both photos and videos. I have become pretty professional in using Canva after creating hundreds of designs, and I will create my tutorial about using it soon. Stay tuned. I used this tool for creating my logo, banners, thumbnails for YouTube channel, birthday cards and other wide range of creatives. But this video is not Canva or sponsored by it. So let's talk about my thumbnails itself. If you can tell from my previous videos, I really put low effort when it comes to preparing thumbnail. I used to put a blank color for background, a text and some icons and stuff like that if needed. And I think I know how to improve it. The Photoshop. I am currently learning this app as this is a leader when it comes to creating image designs like thumbnails for YouTube. Anyways, I try to make this thumbnail for this video much more interesting and better compared to my other videos and thumbnails. When it comes to title, however, I usually have it beforehand. I usually use my video idea name as a title for my videos because they match pretty well. But if I want to make it better, I turn to my good old friend ChatGPT, and he might help me to improve my title a little bit, but I don't do it really much. Now we are ready. After blood and tears, we have everything to upload the video to the YouTube. Go to the YouTube studio, upload your video, upload your thumbnail, write your description and tags, add cards and end screens if you wish, do everything you need to do and hit the publish button. Video is live. Now I want to show how my filming process goes. So let's take a look around my filming setup. First of all, here's where I sit, next to the microphone which is attached to the side of the desk. And this mic is connected to my laptop, which was used for filming until recently before I had a brilliant idea, which is using the phone camera, as it was better than my laptop webcam. Today I use my laptop only to record my voice because I cannot connect my microphone directly to the phone. And this is a reason why I didn't use the phone until recently. But I discovered a feature in my editing software that allows you to match your video voice with your voiceovers based on their waveforms with just a single click. And this gives me an idea. If I use only my phone to record my videos, the audio will be terrible, but image is good. But if I only use my laptop, the image is terrible, but the audio is good. But if I record my voice on my laptop and film the video on my phone, then if I match them, In the software, I have both good audio and video. And this idea worked incredibly well. And today I have this kind of setup for filming. I put a giant speaker, put a small chair on top, put some boxes on top, and position my phone like so. This might be really messy, but who is seeing that, right? And my laptop will sit on top of my bed, recording my voice, while also showing me the script for my video. That's it. That's my entire studio tower. If you enjoyed it, consider subscribing and leave only one like on this video. Nothing crazy. And I will see you next time.